YouTube. What is good, y'all? It is your boy, Quack Gaming, and we are back with another episode of The Baby in Yellow. We are on. What is the actual thing called? It is called. It's called the cat chapter, apparently. Don't know, but we're gonna get into it. We need. Eventually, I'm gonna go back and get that other thing so we can see the doctor's gift. But let me see. Do I want to turn on anything? Toy box, black and white. Shades. Okay, let's not do any of that right now. But let's get into it, y'all. Hope everybody's doing well. What the hell? Follow the black cat. Oh shit. Wait, did the black cat go up here? Oh, what the hell? Close the door. What the heck? What are you doing, young sir? Wait a minute. What's going on here? Yo? Oh, Thor? Wait. Oh, hey. The heck? Huh? Okay, so this is where the cat chapter started, or at least where you went. Look at the, oh, it's the cat purring. All the footsteps. Wait, uh, wait, no, I changed my mind. No! Curiosity. Quick as you can, follow me to the portal. Don't let him see. You're telling me this is a talking cat like Alice in Wonderland? What? Where the heck are we? Oh, so we traveled through the painting to here. Not gonna lie, that is kind of weird. Real cable. What is this?
September 14th, log 821. Plant life continues to grow out of control since Newt's disappearance. Research heavily impacted. Frustration building. Feeling lonely. Log end.
Aw. Hey, buddy. Is there a way through there? Alright. Newt. Missing. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, wait a minute. So, I've noticed these books laying around here. So maybe 1, 4, 5, 4, 5, 2. No, that's not right. Wait, what? Where'd this book come from? 5. So now I need to find a book that has a 3 on it. Wait, was it this book? Yes, it was. Oh, wait.
June 2nd, log 940. Painting travel continues to be the best way to journey between
Ah,
worlds.
so we did travel to the
I must
portal.
stay hidden from the
Or
child.
painting.
I risk the same fate as the others. It's hard not to worry about being followed back, though. Best not to dwell on it. Log end.
Alrighty. So we did travel through the painting. Wait, open drawer. Well, I didn't mean to throw the book. Okay. Alrighty. So now that I did this, what the heck? Huh. Explore beyond the gate. Hmm. Magical mushrooms. Huh. So there's a lever right there. Hmm. Oh! Oh man. I need a second for that. See, like, what happened was I was managing to see the spider web, all of a sudden I see something like black jump out of there. Yeah, anyways, let's keep going. What the heck happened there? Oh, uh, I did not do that. Huh. Do I need to get to here? Oh, so this is where that lever was.
March 1st, log 334. Newt is proving to be one of my most valuable creations. His help harvesting the more dangerous specimens has been a particular boon. Although I do need to address the battery design flaw. The poor soul just keeps collapsing. Best keep some spares on hand. Isn't that right, Newt? Log it.
Yeah, you sure did got some batteries on hand. These are large. Alright. The heck? I can't really read that. Is there something I should be looking for here? What is that? Insert a new battery. Wait, is that Newt? Well, that's not where I need to go. It's, one over. Get battery for Newt. I don't know what all this means, to be honest, but oh, oh, that face doesn't look right. Looks like he just did something. Yeah. Anyways, take take robot upstairs for repair. Oh, oh, look at the little Christmas elf hat, Santa hat. Oh, it's cute. I need to. Oh, connecting. Oh, oh, this is difficult. There we go. Why did I mess that up? I was like a second off. There we go. Wow, he looked. His eyes are like, aww. Oh, hi, Newt. Oh, aww. Find ink for Newt. Aww. Now, little buddy, where would this ink be at that you speak of? It's okay, buddy. Just hold on. I'll find the ink. Oh, ink. Oh, what the hell was that? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, he moved closer. Nah. Never noticed a sign. No baby allowed. There you go, buddy. Oh, I love you too. I love you too, little buddy. Aw. Oh! Aw. Oh, you okay, buddy? Aw. I like Newt. What's in here? It's the doctor. Oh, no baby allowed.
January 22nd, log 285. My dolls have confirmed apartment 10 as a new yellow site. The baby and his sitter so far remain unaware of my activities. Is it egotistical that I made the dolls look like myself? Maybe, but who's to judge? You. Log end.
This is what you look like? So it is the doctor. Magical door stopper. Like, do y'all hear that freaking music? Come on, little buddy. Let's go on. A lot of mushrooms here. Am I supposed to put you there somewhere? Buddy? Ah, I see. So put you there. Go over here. Grab a booster. Well, get unstuck first. Now put it under your hand. Aww. Aww. Wait, Newt! No, Newt! Find Newt. What the heck just happened? Did he get closer? I can tell if he got closer or not, but I think he did. Oh, hi, Newt! Help Newt repair the elevator. Okay, so you need a wrench. You need a wrench? Oh, wrench. There you go, buddy. I can't tell if he got closer. I think he got closer. Yeah, you work it, Newt. What do you need now? A can of oil. What? What happened? Now you need a hammer. Screwdriver. Hammer. Yes, sir. So a lot of nuts and bolts here. What the heck is going on? Use the elevator. You know you're very close to me right now. What the hell? Yeah, I'm going here now. Oh no. He's in here now. Oh boy. That means we got two more chapters. I hope y'all enjoyed this episode of The Baby in Yellow. If y'all enjoyed it, smash the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see y'all in the laboratory. Peace out.